my lovelies, it's Anne and welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is doing well and having a beautiful and blessed day. Today's video will be like an early spring motivational clean with me, and I'll just be sharing a few areas of my kitchen that I wanted to tackle and just clean. Some of the cleaning I did do off camera, which includes the backsplash, countertop, and the cooktop, as well as cleaning and organizing my fridge. I did do some grocery shopping prior to this, so I went ahead and just did some cleaning and organizing in my fridge. So what you'll see me do is just clean the microwave and outside of the fridge. I'm going to give it a good wipe down. I'm also going to clean all of the mirrors and the mirror door leading out to my backyard. You'll see me give my microwave a good cleaning, which is really needed. It was a little dirty. And I've also removed all of the items off of my countertop and cleaned and washed everything, put that back. But I didn't record the process of some of this because the video was really long. I also did like grocery shoppings and things like that. This cleaning video is actually part of a day in the life, which was about 50 minutes long, and I did upload it, but I thought it was too long, so I took that video down and I re-edited it. And yeah, so I'm just sharing like some of the cleaning process with you guys, just to give you guys a little bit of spring motivation and inspiration to do some cleaning. Where I am here in Canada, it's been snowing a lot, so I just want to start welcoming a little bit of spring into my space, and you'll see a little pops of color. I'll be bringing in a little bit of purple florals and peonies and adding a little bit of pops of color into my kitchen, along with my regular white and greenery modern black and white that I love. I'll also do some sweeping and mopping and give my sink a really good cleaning. And also I organized one of the cupboards next to the microwave with all of my spices. Prior to that, the spices were actually at the bottom. There's like two cupboards at the bottom where I'm not able to put like spices and things like that, but it was a little bit of an eyesore and inconvenient, so I decided to put it above, because bending just to get the spices out to cook and things like that was very irritating. So I ended up just adding like baking products in to the left, and then to the right I added all of my cooking oils and things like that. I also organized my pantry a bit off camera. I still need to do a little bit more organizing. I also plan on ordering some storage clear acrylic containers from Amazon, so I can sort of organize my fridge a little bit better, which I'll share with you guys in a separate video. And yeah, just sweeping and mopping and just welcoming a little bit of spring into the space. So I won't be doing any more talking, so I just wanted to come in and just share a little bit of what today's video was all about. So I hope you guys enjoy. And yeah, I just wanted to come in and do a quick voiceover because the rest of the video will be played to music. I also had my island centered a little bit better in the area where it is. If you go back a few videos, you will see that it was sort of like on an angle. My son didn't like it because coming out of the elevator, which is just right there, was a little uncomfortable for him and he didn't like it. I, on the other hand, thought it was an eyesore because when you're standing in the kitchen, the island just looks sort of weird. Now that it's more centered, it just gives the illusion that there's a lot more space on both sides, and it looks a lot more pleasing on the eye as you come into the home from the front door. It also looks really better when you're in the kitchen and you're looking out into the dining room and the living room area. So yeah, I just wanted to share today's what I'm doing in today's video. So I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys get some inspiration and a little bit of motivation to do some spring cleaning of your own. Thanks for watching. Have a beautiful day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Before is done, so baby, bye. It's for the best, and you know why. You gotta leave me here right now before we make this even worse. It's gonna hurt even more than this does.
There was something we were fighting about. Can't remember it, can't recall at all. Something about my mind, something wasn't right, something about me. You always win, you always get away. No matter how much pain you cause, I stay. I'm always left behind, lonely in the night. It's so dark, can't see the light. But babe, I got a lonely heart, and I don't wanna be apart. I just wanna be with you. I always wanna be with you, my love. Babe, I got a lonely heart, and I don't wanna be apart. I just wanna be with you, my love. Oh, oh, oh. You, my love. You, my love. You, my love. You, my love. There was something you were screaming about, but I closed my ears, cause I don't wanna hear it anymore. God, it's always something about me. Never something about you, always something about me, only me. What's up with that? What's up with that? Have you ever asked yourself, what's up with that? Oh baby, why won't you take a good look at yourself and stop blaming me? When I just wanna be with you. You, my love. You, my love. You, my love. You, my love. Babe, I got a lonely heart, and I don't wanna be apart. I just wanna be with you. I always wanna be with you, my love. Babe, I got a lonely heart, and I don't wanna be apart. I just wanna be with you, my love. Oh, oh, oh. There was something we were fighting about. Can't remember it, can't recall at all. Something about my mind, something wasn't right, something about me. You always win, you always get away. No matter how much pain you cause, I stay. I'm always left behind, lonely in the night. It's so dark, can't see the light. But babe, I got a lonely heart, and I don't wanna be apart. I just wanna be with you. I always wanna be with you, my love. Babe, I got a lonely heart, and I don't wanna be apart. I just wanna be with you, my love.